kune transition eyenzakalayo in our country. Izwe lakithi, South Africa, is undergoing labor pains of giving birth to something good that is about to happen. And I even see the wave of a mighty revival over this country. God is raising up teams that are going to take this country by storm, preaching the gospel of the kingdom, efakazela izwi abalishumelayo with signs, wonders and miracles. Sikhuleke ukuthula kule ndawo. Ukuchitheka kwegazi kume. Ma umuntu olalela ke indaba ukuthi kwenzakalani. I want to believe that behind all that is happening, God is maneuvering. God is behind the scene. Ngoba umhlaba ongokaJehova nokugcwala kwawo. Ufundisa abafundi bakho uJesu wathi anothi manikhuleka nithi intando yakho mayenzeke emhlabeni njengoba yenzeke ezulwini. Asikhulekele lokho ke njengebandla. Sikhulekele ikingdom yakhe, irulership. Sikhulekele irulership kaNkulunkulu phezulu kwecountry, le country lawulwe. I-kingdom kaNkulunkulu yehlele, replace the kingdom of darkness kule ndawo yase South Africa. Sikhuleke aze enze iSouth Africa ibe indumiso kuye. Icebo likaNkulunkulu, intando kaNkulunkulu yenzeke eSouth Africa as it is in heaven. Sibe nalo faith. Ngoba uSathane uyi-opportunist. Abantu abathanda ukuchitha kwegazi to service the altar yobumnyama, i-altar kaLucifer. Bayazidala izimpi kuze kuchithe igazi, bazidala ingozi kuze kuchitheke igazi lokusevisa i-altar. Kukhuthazwe ne-abortion kuze kuserviswe i-altar. Asizokuvuma ke lokho ngoba sine-altar yaseGolgotha iyachitheka kwachitheka igazi ukuze avaleke amanye amagazi. Kwavaleka amagazi embuzi ezayihlatshwa. Kwadabuka into wangethempeli ukuthi sekuphelile nge-Old Testament singena kwi-New Testament. So igazi kaJesu lona linyenyeza ukuthula likhuluma okuhle kunegazi kaAbel. Alikaphelelwa amandla silifafaze ngehisop yemilomo yethu sifafaze igazi lokuthula phezulu kweSouth Africa. Ukuze uSathane i-altar lakhe libe paralyzed. Bathi bayakhuleka kulo lingabaphenduli. Ngoba yabhonga imvana kaNkulunkulu eGolgotha kwafiphala ilanga kwaqhephuka amatshe kwazama umhlaba kwavuma isotshe ukuthi ngempela lo indodana kaNkulunkulu.